Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to apply amazing filters in Photoshop. And we will make our own filters in this video. So let's start the video. First of all, open Photoshop and import your image. There are two images on which I want to apply filters. This is the first one and this is the second one. So let's start from the first one. First of all, press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer to see the difference. You can directly start with the background layer. Click here, make a gradient map. Now double click here. When you open it, it will open like this. Now you need to do is there are some of the filters you can apply on it. Press OK, decrease its opacity, blend this to the multiply. This is amazing. But there are also many other filters which you can apply on your images. So let's go to the gradient map, double click here. Now click here, then select photographic toning. Select OK. Now here's what you can see. There are many of the filters. Now this one is all these filters are amazing. You can decrease its fill and you can double click here to change it. That's nice. That's nice. Wow, it's amazing. So I had this one. We made other gradients. Okay. So this one is amazing. So let's try making other ones. Wow. Now we will make our own filters. So click here, select your own colors. Okay. Yes, okay. Okay. 50, 75, 25. Press OK. Blend this to the multiply. That's amazing. You can try all these blending options. There you can see this is the before, and then we apply this filter on this, then this one, and this one, and then this one, and all the filters are amazing. So let's try these filters on the second image. Go to this, make a gradient map, double click here, and if I reset the gradients, here's the point for you. Select this one, then double click here, and if I change the color and select like this, okay, multiply, as you can see that how quickly we make this amazing filter. Again, click the grid map, double click here. These filters are also amazing, but let's jump to the photographic toning. Okay, then keep selecting these areas, blend this, multiply, and then decrease its fill and decrease its opacity. This is amazing. So as you can see this, that how quickly we make our own filters in the Photoshop. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos.